Hey there. I hope all is well. Want to do a quick just to walk through on the Syllabi account here that I have. I'm logged into the back here, and this is the dashboard, but we can hit on Discover Ideas. One of the many things I like about it. And up here, you can just type in. You can choose which platform: Google Trends, YouTube. Let's just say with Google, and let's say you got a YouTube on yoga for women over 40. So what it'll do, and you can just put in discover ideas for your particular niche. Once you type that in, it's going to give you some keywords, what the competition is, and you can just go right over and like this one would be pretty good. You can go over to create and you can create an avatar video or faceless. Let's do faceless. So I can click faceless, and what it'll do, it'll pull up different type of video things that you can choose from. Selfie, African Legends, action mode. A lot of times I'll choose for my particular videos right now for one of the channels that we have it's the cinematic realism. So I'll choose that. You can choose your language, your subtitle style, the voice, which is great. So it depends if you have a certain style that you want to go with. I don't know if you can hear that, so I just wanted to give you an example. You can go through here and choose. Also now, which they just recently did, which I love, is character consistency, and this is huge. So if you have a channel, and let's say I want to just always make sure that Ava's in it, I can choose her, right? And I can go down here and type in my video title for the video, yoga for women over 40, whatever. And here it'll ask you what topic should we focus on. You can do custom scripts, you can do AI generated scripts, you can do audio to video. So there's a lot. And what you can do is you can generate a script. So you can click here and actually generate a script. So actually should have put a title in first, but it has yoga for women here. And within seconds, you'll have your particular script, and it'll let you know at the bottom here how long. 59 seconds, estimated 13 credits. If you want to make this shorter, you can kind of read through it and maybe take out a sentence or two, and it'll recalculate at the bottom here. 51 seconds, still 13 credits or whatever. And then you can click here and generate the video, and it's done. So another thing, and they have a lot of trainings, really great trainings on this. So if you decide to try it out, you'll be able to see and join the community. It's excellent. You have thumbnails that you can generate just from, telling it text to prompt. Also, the scheduler is what I'm using and I love. So right now, this one was just completed. It was a number of 14 videos for my particular weight loss channel. And here it is here. So I just started it. But as you can see, I have videos that, I've started to build this out with, and I love it. So I just manage it maybe, every day for about 15, 20 minutes. I'll just jump in and look and check it out. And you can actually also go in. I don't know if I can click on it since it's done. Yeah, it's completed. But I can create a bulk scheduler for another set for 14 days, 30 days, whatever. I can come back in here, choose my unique topic. I already have my YouTube channels that's selected for this. And it can auto-generate your description and tags, call to action, and you can do a duration. How long? You want 7 days or you want 30 max days? You just have to make sure you have enough credits. You can do 1 post per day or 2 posts per day. So you can kind of, again, decide the frequency, again, which is great. The start date, posting days. It's just, I absolutely love it. So it's a great tool. Here you can have access to all the videos that you have created. And for the scheduled videos, if they haven't been posted yet, you can go in and you can edit them. So if you want to go in and edit them for whatever reason, you can do that. Let me click on this. This one's already completed, so I can't edit it. Yeah. So you can do that. You can create folders. You have a view planned content calendar here that comes up for you. You can do a real clone yourself if you want to. I think they have some upgrades here for that. But this is just a quick overview. And again, it's really, really good if you want to start a faceless channel. That's one for whatever niche. I have a couple. I got the weight loss because I'm promoting our ebook that I created on my weight loss journey. So that's one, monetize YouTube and to sell the ebook, and also for our real estate. And for the real estate, you can actually go in here. You can click faceless. So here you can actually go to Zillow, and if you have a listing, you can click on Zillow, find that listing, copy the link to that listing, paste it here, and it will pull up and generate those images and create a video. You can pick and choose the captions, the voiceover, the particular voiceover for its script. And it's not like it used to be where it took so much time. So you also have B-roll videos. And again, you can go and change it landscape to portrait. Also the video links, what topic to focus on, custom scripts, AI. So it has all that here, the video vault. You can come in here and create faceless videos. And I've seen a lot of different YouTube channels that have different ones for like nature. And some are even using this to create those like crime stories, short stories types. They're creating reels. I'm seeing that. That's from this particular software. And you also have AI visuals of what you can create faceless videos with. So anyway, just wanted to share all that. So if you have any other questions, let me know. $25 a month. I think that's what it is. That's 14 days that you can try it out for free. And I believe up until July 4th, there's 30% off. So take care.